Alright guys, Georgia Jim, got a West 916 here. This is a 12-pin Japanese dimple lock. And I pulled the top cover off, or front cover, so we can gut this one. Alright, I'm going to use a wiper insert for tension. And this lock is a mix of standard and spools. So we just want to come back here and tap our standards. And then we can start setting spools. I think we're good on that side. One, two, three. Just give that a little jiggle. Just a nudge. Should be probably one or two here. There we go. And I'm not going to turn it any farther because I don't want to drop pins. Alright, I'm going to take the top device and set it right there. And then we'll get set up to gut it. And let's see, I'm not going to pull the core on this because I'd have to pull that C-clip, and none of my snap rings work for it. So what we'll do, see, this is the right side, okay. And this is our little spring in our ball bearing. And that just provides a bias for the core. Alright. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just go like this. There's our spring, spool, key pin. Just trying to make sure I'm not going to launch a spring out. Look at me just making a mess. They're little baby springs. These are super tiny springs. I'm going to do my best not to lose any of them. But if you know me, never too far from a gutting disaster. I'm not trying to earn another Locky, so. Come on out of there. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, so we'll have one gap on the other side. The tolerances on this lock aren't super great, but if they did improve them with the spooled key pins, it would actually be a lot harder to pick. And I had picked it probably 3 times or so, 3 or 4 times this morning once I got it figured out. So I don't want to act like it's a super easy lock, because it... Come on out of there. Let's oh, it's still in there. Come on out. There we go. I don't want to act like it was just a walk in the park. It wasn't super hard, but it wasn't, like I said, it wasn't a cakewalk. And that was mostly just from not knowing where the standards were. Like I said, I was getting some counter rotation here and there, and I thought it was a standard, a spool, and it more or less just had me second guessing here and there. But once I had gutted it and took a look at it, so I basically picked it on easy mode. And that's it for the cylinder. Give you guys a close-up of the pins. And get it to focus. Let's see if I can zoom that in a little bit. There you can see some of the key pins. They are double spooled. And you can see you got the little mushroom spools. But we got 6 for the left, 6 for the right, and a little ball bearing detent that goes on the right side, and that just helps keep the core centered. And that's the West 916. Alright guys, thanks for watching.